Hello, this is Tanya with TK Sewing Machine and Repair, and today I have this cute little Montgomery Wards sewing machine. It's a 3/4 size machine, and it's a long bobbin machine. So what that means is that it takes a shuttle. Get the shuttle out of here. This is its bobbin case, and here is the bobbin right here. To wind the bobbin, you would put the bobbin right here into the holder. You will undo, let me get that in right, there we go. You'll undo the clutch, which is the knob here on the side. Oh, it's already undone. And you would thread the machine. And I am not ready, right? You would thread the machine. And I would imagine you could go from, I guess you could go from here down to here, over the top, around the bobbin, and then you also will get this set of springs that you put around the bobbin winder and around the drive, the shaft to the motor to wind the bobbin. Oh, and I guess I need to plug it in. Yeah, very ill prepared for this video today. There we go. And then you would wind the bobbin. See how this goes back and forth? So the thing about this machine is that you will always know that you're sewing. It is a friction drive motor, which means that it has a friction tire right here that drives the hand wheel. So it is a loud machine, but it is so doggone cute. We're going to put the spring underneath the machine so you always know where it is. And then we're going to put the bobbin into the bobbin case. You slide it in. Slip the thread over the hook and back up. And then set the bobbin on the, once you figure, on the rest here, there's a little rest that goes in the notch of the bobbin case. Once you figure out how to put that bobbin case in, it's really easy. So to thread the machine, you go underneath this notch right here. This is your tension release. And you pull the thread through the groove. Underneath this thread guide, through the slit in the top of the needle bar, releasing the tension, and pull some thread out. Put it on the right side of this thread guide and then pull it through and through this spring, through this thread guide on the needle bar, and then thread the machine, or thread the needle. We've already threaded the machine, right? And a little bit of spit, saliva will help. And I cannot see today. There we go. Release the tension and then roll the wheel towards you and pick up the thread. And then you put the plate back on. So before we do sample stitches, I've rewired this motor to take a standard plug. So it will always be, if you ever lose this part, you will always be able to plug it into another duplex plug. And I added an original foot pedal to the whole assembly. So the foot pedal works tremendously. I love this, that it has this a rolling piece of metal here. I don't really know why, but it's really cool. But a really nice insulated foot pedal. So get this back on the floor. And let's do some stitches. So this is a straight stitcher only. This moves right here. It's on a hinge. And so you, all the way up are your longest stitches, all the way down are your shorter stitches. And I already did some test stitching on some fabric. And here is the back side of the stitches, and here are the top stitches. I even did some little tiny stitches the second row. Did a really good job. But what is most impressive is that this machine will also sew garment leathers. And so this is about a 2mm thickness leather right here. And let's go ahead and test it out. Get that last little bit. There we go. So like I said, the machine is rumbly. I described this machine as having dual exhaust with cut-off pipes. It is really loud. But it is... Oh, I forgot to release the tension. See, I tried to do it like I would on a normal machine. But look at it, sew leather. It's the blue top stitches. And then the underneath are the white stitches. So this machine really lets you know that you're sewing something for sure. Let's go ahead and do some regular fabric. Get that thread through the little spindle there. Release the tension. Let's rethread this machine. Aha, that was quicker that time. And let's sew some fabric. And to adjust the top tension, you will dial this little knob right up here. Oh, so you can see it. This little knob right up here is where you adjust the tension. So what I think is fabulous, my camera stand keeps wanting to move on me. So what I think is fabulous about this machine is that it has this great big round feed dog plate and bobbin plate cover. And it's just in fabulous shape. There's a little bit of chrome loss right here around the screw, but it's still shiny underneath that plating. And there's a little bit of etching right here. But other than that, the chrome plate is just in fantastic shape. And all the other chrome pieces on the machine are just really, really good shape too. It has all of its original parts, except that, the motor has been rewired. So if this lovely little unique machine ends up in your home, I hope you enjoy it.